Hello, welcome. Question number 22. We are to solve the inequality 3 into bracket x minus 5 greater than 15 minus 4 into bracket 8 minus x bracket close. Remember, because of the bracket, we need to expand before we simplify. So 3 times x, that will give us 3x. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. 15 is out, minus 4 times 8, 32, minus 4 times minus x, plus what? 4x. This serves as a barrier. So we are going to group like terms. All the x terms will come to the left of the inequality. So this is also positive, become negative 4x. We maintain the 15, 32. This comes to become what? Plus what? 15. Remember, 3 minus 4 is negative. Then the x will attach. So I'll be having negative x now greater than 15, and 15 is 30. 30 minus 32 will be negative what? Negative 2. So I should have a negative 2 in here. This could have been the answer, but because x is having negative, so we multiply by that value to change the x from negative to what? Positive. So I have negative x divided by negative 1. The sign change, that is the inequality change when you divide by a negative value. So x becomes less than what? 2 as the value, the range of values of what? X that will satisfy this inequality. So I think the option will be the option what? C. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.